So, this vibration plate has quickly become a part of our morning routine. It was honestly so easy to use. I was so impressed by how easy it was to set up. Everything that came with it came with resistance bands. It also came with some resistance straps with a handle so that you can do certain exercises like your squats, your lateral raises, front raises, etc. You can also do exercises on the vibration plate. I also love the fact that it's got 5 settings, it's got multiple speeds. You can also connect your phone to the Bluetooth so that you can listen your music through there as well. I honestly felt amazing using the vibration plate. Also, my husband was using the vibration plate too, and he has really enjoyed it as well. Honestly, it was one of those things that has just gone viral recently, and we wanted to test it out for ourselves to see if it is really worth it. And it is totally worth it. I also like the fact that it's super easy to store. You can literally store it under your bed, you can store it in your office, you can store it in your bathroom, wherever you want to. It is just so easy to use and to store. It is light enough to carry, but it's also really nice and solid. You can also do exercises like push ups or plank holds, etc., on it as well. Another thing that I really like is just how refreshed I felt after using the vibration plate. Something that also really surprised me was that it came with a remote. So it was super easy to use and just to adjust the settings, adjust the speed, adjust which mode I wanted to do that morning. And again, one of the cool things was just how easy it was to set up and to understand. So if you've been thinking of getting a vibration plate, I would 100% recommend it just because of all the benefits that you can get while using it, as well as the fact that you can easily store it and you will not regret the buy.